Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of bats, some of the most mysterious and misunderstood creatures on Earth. Many people think bats are scary, but by the end of this video, you might see them in a completely different way. Get ready to discover amazing facts about these incredible flying mammals. When most people think of bats, they imagine dark caves, spooky nights, and vampire stories. But bats are much more than that. In fact, they are one of nature's most important animals and play a huge role in keeping ecosystems healthy. Did you know that bats are the only mammals capable of true flight? Unlike flying squirrels, which can only glide, bats can actually fly by flapping their wings. Their wings are made of thin skin stretched between long finger bones, making them incredibly flexible and efficient in the air. There are more than 1,400 species of bats living around the world, except in the most extreme polar regions. This means that about 1 out of every 5 mammal species on Earth is a bat. They come in many different shapes and sizes. The smallest bat in the world is the Kitti's hog-nosed bat, also known as the bumblebee bat. It weighs less than a penny and can fit comfortably on your thumb. On the other hand, the giant golden-crowned flying fox has a wingspan that can reach over 1.5 meters, making it one of the largest bats in the world. One of the most incredible bat abilities is echolocation. Many bats can navigate and hunt in complete darkness using sound. They emit high-frequency calls and listen to the echoes that bounce back from objects around them. This natural sonar system is so precise that a bat can detect insects as thin as a human hair while flying at high speed. Imagine flying through a dark forest at night without bumping into anything. Bats do this every night with remarkable accuracy. Scientists have even studied bat echolocation to help develop new technologies, including navigation systems and medical imaging equipment. Most bats are insect eaters. A single small bat can eat hundreds or even thousands of insects in one night. This makes bats natural pest controllers. Farmers love bats because they help protect crops by reducing the number of harmful insects without the need for chemicals. Not all bats eat insects, though. Some species feed on fruit, nectar, fish, frogs, or even small animals. Fruit bats play a particularly important role in spreading seeds. As they travel long distances and eat fruit, they help new trees grow in different areas. In tropical regions, bats are also important pollinators. They transfer pollen between flowers just like bees do. In fact, several plants rely heavily on bats for survival. Without bats, some fruits that humans enjoy might become much rarer. Now let's talk about one of the biggest myths about bats, vampire bats. Many people believe all bats drink blood, but that's completely false. Out of more than 1,400 species, only 3 species of vampire bats feed on blood, and they live mainly in Latin America. These vampire bats don't suck blood the way movies often show. Instead, they make a tiny cut with their sharp teeth and lap up a small amount of blood. Their saliva contains special compounds that prevent clotting. Interestingly, scientists have studied these compounds to help develop medicines for treating blood clots in humans. Bats are surprisingly social animals. Many species live in colonies that can contain thousands or even millions of individuals. They communicate using sounds, body language, and even unique calls that can identify specific members of their group. Some bat colonies are so large that they create breathtaking natural spectacles. At sunset, millions of bats may emerge from caves in huge swirling clouds that stretch across the sky. These events attract tourists from around the world. Another fascinating fact is that bats are among the longest living mammals for their size. While a mouse may live only a few years, some bats can live for more than 30 years in the wild. Scientists are studying bats to understand how they live so long despite their small size. During colder months, many bats enter a state called hibernation. Their body temperature drops dramatically, and their heart rate slows down to conserve energy. Some species can survive for months without eating while they wait for warmer weather and more food. Unfortunately, bats face many threats today. Habitat loss, climate change, pollution, and diseases have caused population declines in some areas. One particularly dangerous disease called white nose syndrome has killed millions of bats in North America. Protecting bats is important not only for the animals themselves but also for entire ecosystems. Without bats, insect populations could increase dramatically, crops could suffer, and many plants might struggle to reproduce. The next time you see a bat flying across the evening sky, remember that you're looking at one of nature's most remarkable creatures. These animals have been around for more than 50 million years and have developed extraordinary adaptations that allow them to thrive in environments all over the world. From their incredible echolocation abilities to their role as pollinators, seed dispersers, and insect hunters, bats are true champions of the night. They may seem mysterious, but they are also incredibly important and deserving of our respect and protection. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning these amazing facts about bats. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.